youngstress Kelly Khumalo is not a suspect in the 2014 murder of her then boyfriend Senzo Meyiwa. And the prosecutorial authorities have not yet decided on a second docket, which is set to implicate her and the other occupants who were inside the house when the soccer star was killed. Colonel Lambertus Steyn, who analysed the accused phones, testified that accused number 5, Fisokuhle Ntuli, called a number registered to Khumalo on the 2nd of August 2014 and the 15th of October the same year.
During my analysis, I discovered that Kelly Khumalo with a number 27827 044 358 received a call from Ntuli Nkani with the number 27733 059202.
Just read that first name.
It's Fisokuhle.
And if written in brackets 5, what does that include?
It means a suspect 5 in front of the court.
And even a 2020 affidavit by the lead investigator in the case, Brigadier Bongani Kaninda.
So Kaninda's affidavit also says that communication records between her and her sister Zandi Khumalo show that as early as 2013, she wanted to get rid of Meyiwa, as she puts it, and it also says it was abundantly clear that she hated him and wanted to get rid of him. Let's take a listen to that part.
4 cell phone numbers that she did not disclose to the police when this incident took place. These numbers were discovered by the XDS system used by the cell phone authorities. The numbers are as follows: 079-494-4358, 073-451-5017, 073-886730, 061-456-2108. Investigation further revealed that she is linked to the actual perpetrators of this murder by means of cell phone linkages. These linkages connect her to accused 3 and 5. There is no reasonable explanation as to why Kelly Khumalo will be in contact telephonically with a headman or killers of a boyfriend and share the same picture of a bag full of money. Communication records between her and her sister shows that as early as 2013, she wanted to get rid of the deceased, as she puts it. It is apparently clear that she hated him and wanted to get rid of him. She further states that she regrets not succeeding to get rid of him before. Taking into account all these facts, an inference can be drawn that she meant killing him.
Then in the trial within a trial, the alleged confessions of accused number 1 Muzi Sibiya and accused number 2 Bongani Ntanzi fingered Khumalo as the alleged mastermind. Colonel Mhlanganyela Mboto, who took down Sibiya's alleged confession, read this.
I asked the suspect, who is Kelly and who is Senzo? The suspect said Kelly Khumalo and Senzo Meyiwa. They are the people we're talking about. Paragraph 3. I asked them if they already charged the money, and they said yes. They charged 100,000, both Marco and Makinga charged for the killing. While we were driving to the place, Marco received the call, and I heard Marco answering the phone and said, "We are on the way, coming." At about 9 o'clock, I received the money from Marco, who told me that we have rewarded for our job. He gave me 30,000 for my share.
And then accused number 2 Bongani Ntanzi's alleged first confession, read out by Lieutenant Colonel Solomon Rapadu, also contained a Khumalo's name.
I was briefed that the person to be eliminated or killed was Senzo Meyiwa, and the matter is initiated by Kelly Khumalo, who was going to make a payment for the whole job. We were positioned accordingly that Nkani will be the driver, Moses Severe will be the guard, and myself and Carlos will get inside Kelly's house. At the hostel, I received an amount of 15,000 cash. I then left with Nkani to Johannesburg, where I slept over. The following day, Nkani took me to Davidton, where I stayed from some days. Nkani later returned and took out an amount of 30,000 and gave me.
In Ntanzi's alleged second confession, the name of Kelly Khumalo is also mentioned. Chriselda, SABC News in Johannesburg.